Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place your first order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and want me to place order for them with this particular shoe picture right here on Pinduoduo. You can see the link right here, and I decided to make a video about it so you see how we place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the Pinduoduo shopping app link right here. So allow the link to connect and it will redirect you back to Pinduoduo shopping app, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to the store. Now here we go. So this is the product right here, as you can see from the store sales page right here, and the color I need for this particular product is this one right here, as described by the owner of the shoe. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to add a product to cart. After adding a product to cart, I will go ahead and go back to the profile to proceed to my cart. And for that, I will click on here to proceed to my profile. Then click on here to fill my cart. So here we go. We have the product right here, size 44 of this color. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the product. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you can scroll down right here. So in Pinduoduo, there are many means of payment you can use on Pinduoduo. But as far as this tutorial is concerned, I'm using my Alipay to make payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Finally, I will go ahead and screenshot this proof of payment right here. Now go ahead and click on done right here. Now click on here to close this pump up. I need to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the shoe we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So here we go. You can see it right here. Lastly, I will go back to my WhatsApp right here and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payments and buy for them. So I'm going to click on here, my gallery, proof of payment, and say order placed successful, and hit on send. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.